This one goes out to all my safety pros. Is your company providing someone on site or concierge style that does soft tissue management, massage therapy? Then you already know the awesomeness about that and how well it does catching things when they're aches and pains and preventing them from becoming injuries. If you are searching for this type of early intervention service and you've come up with some confusion on who can provide this service, then I want to just help you out with a little bit of the Osha timeline of situations. So for the longest of times, using massages under Osha record keeping has been considered first aid treatment. Super, right? As a massage therapist myself, this is great. This is why it's so awesome to provide. In 2006, another Colorado company called Active Release Techniques went to Osha with their techniques because they have a very regimented protocol. And granted, it is regimented part by part and not by individual, which then Osha saw and has deemed it to be a first aid service and not medical treatment. Great, right? So for all of us, super thing out there that they got that. Since 2006, there's been a little bit of confusion come along because it's ended up that some people think that you have to be ART certified in order to provide soft tissue management or any massage therapy. This is not true. So in 2019, the American Physical Therapy Association went to Osha and just asked for the clarification and said, it ends up saying that anyone can provide soft tissue management, massage therapy, manual therapy, whatever you want to call it. Physical therapists, athletic trainers, massage therapists, physicians even, if they are doing the soft tissue management, if it's massages, it is still considered to be first aid treatment, non-medical, okay? So in massage school, sports massage therapy is what I specialized in. We learned something called pin and stretch. It's where you pin the muscle down, add movement, movement-based massage therapy. There's a lot of other names and techniques that are similar to ART. Not in their regimented way. They have their own thing. It's a great program if you want to still choose that, but just understand that other professionals can still provide the soft tissue management for all those great benefits as well. I wanted to clear this up. I've run into it a couple of times here and there, but please, whatever you're doing, look into providing this service on site for your workers, wherever they may be, because it truly is a great way to get hands-on and catch stuff when it's small and doesn't let it become big. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Contact me in all the usual ways. Thanks for hanging in there with me. This was a long one. I'll see you on the next one.